Hello students, welcome back in the science section. We were studying the chapter motion and measurement of distance. In continuation of the chapter, today we will study standard unit of measurements. In the earlier class I told you why do we use what is the need of standard units, because the common units they changes from person to person, so the use of standard unit is very important, and this we will study in this class. Here we start. Standard unit is a basic unit of measurement. See, this is the basic unit. It is the very important unit of all measurement. Till few years ago different countries had their own unit of measurement. कुछ साल पहले सब कंट्रीज़ की अपनी अलग अलग यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट थी. इन एशियन इंडिया स्मॉल लेंथ मेजरमेंट यूज्ड वर एन अंगुल फिंगर और मुट्ठी फिस्ट. इन एशियन इंडिया में भी मेजरमेंट किससे किया जाता था? विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर और विद द हेल्प ऑफ मुट्ठी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फिस्ट. इन 1790 द फ्रेंच क्रिएटेड अ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट कॉल्ड द मेट्रिक सिस्टम. नाउ सी, इन 1790 में फ्रेंच ने एक स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट निकाली थी एंड दैट वाज नोन एज मेट्रिक सिस्टम. In 1960, General Conference of Weight and Measure were held. In 1960, General Conference of Weight and Measure was held by scientists of all over the world, and they recommended a common system which should be used for the sake of conformity. Now see, in 1960, there was a conference, general conference of weights and measurement, and it was decided by all the scientists that the same measurement should be used in all the countries all over the world. Only one measurement and the one unit of measurement and weight should be used, and it should be common for all, and common system which should be used for the sake of conformity. कंफर्म करने के लिए एक ही मेजर हमें एक ही यूनिट यूज़ करनी चाहिए. आइदर फॉर वेट and for measurement only one unit should be used all over the world, so that there may be no confusion. This system is known as International System of Units. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? SI unit, International System of Units. SI is the abbreviation of System International D Units in फ्रेंच. हम इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या बोलते हैं? SI. एंड SI किसका एब्रीवेशन है? सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल डी यूनिट्स इन फ्रेंच. द SI सिस्टम हैज़ 6 मोस्ट कॉमन बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड्स यूज इन आवर डेली लाइफ. नाउ दिस इज SI सिस्टम ने हैज़ कॉमन बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स, कुछ यूनिट्स निकाली हैं, एंड इट इज़ कॉमन थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड द कन्फ्यूज़न. लोगों में कन्फ्यूज़न नहीं हो, सब जगह पूरी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड हमारा मेजरमेंट सेम रहे, तो स्टैंडर्ड SI यूनिट वालों ने स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स निकाली हैं. 7 स्टैंडर्ड बेसिक यूनिट्स निकाली हैं. दिस आई विल टेल यू. दीज आर, देखिए SI सिस्टम में 6 बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स कौन कौन सी हैं? लेंथ मीटर, M एब्रीवेशन फॉर्म इज़ M. मास किलोग्राम में मेजर करेंगे, एब्रीवेशन इज़ kg. टाइम के लिए सेकेंड, S. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के लिए एम्पियर, A कैपिटल A. टेम्परेचर केल्विन, कैपिटल K एब्रीवेशन फॉर्म. ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी कैंडला, and the abbreviation form is CD. This you have to remember that SI system has taken out 6 common basic standard units in our daily life. This you have to remember, students. Okay. A meter M is divided into 100 equal divisions called centimeter. Now see further, a meter is divided into small divisions, 100 equal divisions called centimeter. इसको सेंटीमीटर कहेंगे. Each centimeter is divided to 10 equal divisions called millimeter. सेंटीमीटर्स को आगे हमने डिवाइड किया छोटे छोटे डिवीज़न में, 10 equal divisions, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? मिलीमीटर्स. 1000 मीटर इज़ कॉल्ड 1 किलोमीटर. 1000 मीटर किसके बराबर हो गया फिर हमारा? इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1 किलोमीटर. क्लियर? Thus 1 meter is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर के बराबर होते हैं 1 मीटर और 100 सेंटीमीटर, दे बोथ आर इक्वल. 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 millimeter and 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter and 1000 millimeter again it is equal to 1 meter. Is it clear to you? Now see multiples of meter, their abbreviations and meaning. 1 decameter, 1 DAM, abbreviation में DAM is 10 मीटर के बराबर होगा. 1 हेक्टोमीटर, 1 HM is equal to 100 मीटर. 1 किलोमीटर, 1 km, abbreviation में 1 km is equal to 1000 meter. This you have to remember. These three are most important and these three you have to remember. Is it clear? Now see National Physical Laboratory, NPL. NPL stands for National Physical Laboratory, which is in New Delhi, is responsible for maintaining the national standards for all the basic units for measurement. Now it is in Delhi and they are responsible for the standard units which are being used in the India. Other systems for measurement are still in use, such as अभी ये वाले सिस्टम भी हमारे भारत में यूज़ हो रहे हैं. FPS फुट पाउंड सेकेंड, the CGS centimeter gram second and MKS meter kilogram second. Clear? Our next topic is correct measurement of the length. How to measure the length. How to measure length accurately with a meter scale. In this topic we will study how we can measure the length with the help of meter scale. This is the meter scale. You all are aware, you all know with this, you are the familiar with this meter scale. This we will study how we can measure a given length with the help of this meter scale. Now see, in our day-to-day work we often use a wooden meter scale to measure length. It is marked or graduated in centimeters and millimeters. You must have seen that scale is marked with centimeters and millimeters. Now suppose we are asked to measure the length of a block. इस block को हमको measure करना है. What we will do is we take a meter scale, coincide the zero mark on the scale with one end of the block and observe the reading at the other end of it. अब देखिए हमको इस ब्लॉक को मेजर करना है. लेंथ ऑफ द ब्लॉक वी हैव टू मेजर. हम इसका ज़ीरो मार्क इससे कंसाइड करेंगे, इससे मिलाएंगे एंड वी विल सी द रीडिंग ऑन दी other end. We will see the reading how much it comes and that will be the length of this block. Clear? This way we will measure the length of the block. Now see, we have to take some precautions we have to take while we are measuring with the help of the scale. Clear? Keep the ruler along the length of the object. हमको रूलर बिल्कुल इसको चिपका के रखना, हिलाना नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी हमारा रूलर हिलना नहीं चाहिए. While measuring, our scale should not move. Scale, or we can call it as a ruler, it should not move. We should keep the ruler along the length of the object. जिस लेंथ को हमको नापना है उसके साथ हमको इसको अच्छी तरह से रखना चाहिए. This is your first precautions you take while measuring with the help of the ruler. Our second precaution is, if the edge of the ruler is worn out or broken, the measurement should be started from any other clear mark. Now say students, अगर आपका रूलर या स्केल कहीं से टूटा हुआ हो, कोने किनारे से कहीं से ऊपर से टूटा हो, तो हमें कहाँ से मेजरमेंट लेनी चाहिए? जो भी क्लियर पॉइंट हो, जहाँ पे टूट फूट नहीं हो, वहाँ से हमें अपना मेजरमेंट स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. क्लियर? थर्ड प्रिकॉशन इज करेक्ट पोजिशन ऑफ आई इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. हमें अच्छी तरह से वाइल measuring we should concentrate on that measurement only. We should not distracted by other things and the position of eye should be proper. हमारी position proper होनी चाहिए. We should not look here and there. Now say in this case position of B is correct. A की क्या है, थोड़ी सी measurement से ज़्यादा है and C, while C is measuring, इसकी measurement से less है and the B is the correct position. So while measuring you should not be distracted by other things and your concentration should be the whole concentration should be, you should properly concentrate where you are measuring. Your eyes should be, proper position of eyes should be there. This is the third precaution, and this is very important for you to remember. While these precautions you have to remember, because you have to daily use, you have to measure with the help of the scale, and these precautions you have to remember and keep it in your mind. Now see, our next topic is measuring the length of a curved line. Straight line को तो हम directly we can measure with the help of the ruler or scale, but suppose the line is curved, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी line है, उसको हम कैसे measure करेंगे? It is very difficult or impossible to measure the length of curved line or curved surface using a meter scale, क्योंकि scale को तो हम टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं घुमा सकते. It is very difficult. So you can do easily by using a thread or a divider. हम thread लेके या divider की help से curved line को, line is curved, we can measure with the help of thread or divider. This now, see students, we were on the activity to measure the length of a curved line. Suppose there is a curved line, can you measure it with the help of scale? No, the ruler cannot be used to measure the curved line. We have to use the thread. Put a knot on the thread at one end of the curved line and at point A. Now place a small portion of the thread along the line. Keep it tight using your finger and thumb. Now hold the thread at this end. Using other hand, pull a little more portion of the thread along the curved line. Repeat this process till the other end at point B of the curved line is reached. Now mark it and put it on the ruler, and you can measure how much is the length of the curved line. Now see, this is your curved line. How you will measure it? You take the thread, you put knot at the corner, put point A. Then with both your hands you rotate this thread along this curved line. आप धीरे धीरे इस कर्व लाइन के सहारे से ये धागा इसके आसपास घुमाएंगे. ओके, slowly slowly till you reach the point B. Then when it reaches the B, you take the thread and you, with the help of this your ruler, you measure the length of the thread. The length of the thread will be the length of your curved line. Okay, in this way you can measure the length of the curved line. Clear? Students, in the same way you can measure with the help of divider. आप divider ले लें, divider को आप एक फिक्स साइज पे खोल लें और स्केल से उसको नाप लें. सपोज इट इज़ 1 सेंटीमीटर ओपन कर लें इसको, और फिर इस डिवाइडर को इस लाइन के सहारे, आपको डिवाइडर का उसको हिलाना नहीं है, बिल्कुल फिक्स रखना है. आप उस डिवाइडर को इसके सहारे, पूरी लाइन के सहारे घुमाते जाएं, इधर से इधर, देन दिस वे, देन दिस वे, देन दिस वे, दिस वे, दिस वे, दिस वे. आपका ये 1 सेंटीमीटर, सपोज आपने ये आपका 12 में हुआ, तो 12 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू 60. क्लियर? Then in this way you can measure the length of the curved line either with the help of divider or with the help of thread. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you students for watching my videos. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.